Here's an example in which we are being asked to graph this, or to identify which graph that is. We got these various options down here. This is which of those? Well, let's look at the notes. So this here is number 5 from the 10.3.4 notes, which is at the top of the module in the Canvas course shell. So here we see the shape right there with the little inner loop thing. It says the equations of this form, so that means you have like an A and a B added or subtracted, and the A is lower than the B. The A is lower than the B, so the number on the outside is lower than the other number. Do you see that? A is lower than B. So it's got to be either this one or this one, because you got the two numbers added, subtracted. That's the A, that's the B. This is the A, that's the B. So both those seem to fit, don't they? They both have the A lower than the B, the A lower than the B, one's lower than 2. And they have things added, subtracted. One of those. Well, how do you know which one? Well, notice this one is centered on the x-axis, right? The x-axis right here goes right through the center of the shape. So what does that mean? Well, if you go back to the notes, right up here, cosine is always center on the x-axis, and sine center on the y-axis. So this has got to be cosine, doesn't it? Because it's centered on the x-axis. So there.